Here is a doggy bag I took from a restaurant to my hotel 2 hours ago. Coming back 1 hour ago, I put in a thermometer. In the bag, I asked them to put a bag of ice. So it doesn't feel really cold outside on the package, but I suppose it's a bit colder than room temperature. Let me make a break. Yeah, open the package. It's a bit of an insulating package, and the plastic bag which I was carrying it would also help insulation. But the thermometer is at 22 degrees. That's not nice. It's lower than room temp. Yeah, it's not my room temperature. Is about 26, and outside we have 32 or something. There's still ice there. Let's just show you. Some ice cubes here. Yeah. So on the ice side it's probably cold enough, but on the outside here it's in the order of 20. So one need, I think, like at least 2 little ice bags to put on. I have actually 2 doggy bags in here. Yeah. So I think it would be nice to have 2 little ice bags, one on each side. Then it maybe will keep colder. And of course, if you want still more, you put 2 at the bottoms, put in the doggy bags, put up a couple on top, and then you're probably fine. So, okay, food safety maybe. Okay, now I put it in the fridge, in the freezing little department.